Brilliant king sacrifice against round number 10 with 50 candidates and opens candidates here with totals of 43 moves ahead here. With between Grandmaster in USA is Fabiano Caruana, battle against with faces with Grandmaster Netherlands is Anish Giri here. So it means this is a brilliant, this is a last move. So next proceed women's candidates between Grandmaster in China Zhu Zhener with faces versus Grandmaster in Russia Katarina Lagdos without ready openings here with an excellent perfect shot here. So what do you think about two games analyzed here with first opens and second women's candidates here? So let's study a display chess here. White against with Grandmaster Fabiano Caruana and black pieces by Grandmaster Netherlands is Anish Giri here. So in this part of this videos here in this round number 9 in opens candidates and also have a analyze of the standings of PT candidates round number 9. So white plays Fabi is e4, e5 Giri, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, entering Socopiano, castling kingside by GM Fabi. So this is the main lines here. Is also with pawn d3 or c3 by next of d4 here. So without idea with Fabi, symbolize castling kingside with Fabiano here. Knight f6 by Giri by next up playing castling kingside here. And also d3 is called by Yoko Piasinimo variation. Castle kingside by Giri, knight pd2 with Fabi, pawn d6 with Giri by pressures with next of bishop to g4 here. And also c3 with Fabi. What the plans for next b4 with threatening the with bishop and next by a4. So this is a move of this one with next move here. And also pawn to a5. The pressures by this one to we decide to backwards here with bishop e7 with no more by b4 here. So this is a with controls by development by positional move here. And also h3 with no more by bishop g4, knight g4. So this is a connected pass pawn here with white pieces with Fabi. Bishop e6 with light square with controls by light square with diagonals with attacks the bishop, avoided with Fabi. So in explain here, why don't we bishop captured? If your bishop takes e6, capture this pawn. So openings here by rook f files here. So this is a pins here with controls by development here. Without decided by Fabi, avoided by bishop e5, attacks the knights. We decided by backwards by Giri with bishop a7, rook e1 with Fabi, and also knight e7. What's the plans with Giri or next knight g6 here by maneuvers, and also pawn d4 with Fabi. So what's the plans or captured or maybe here by this one to next up push d5 controls by pushes here, and also knight g6 to controls against with knight pairs against with Anish Giri here. Bishop d3 with backwards with Fabi, defensive pawns, knight h5. So this is a disappearance by booklet by Giri, so novelty. So this is the old main lines here is used by this one is knight f4 according by playing with super grandmaster in India is Vishy Inad. So this is a Vishy Inad playing against with India's here. So this is a knight f4 is a old main lines here. So it means so knight h5 new move against with Anish Giri here. So this is a novelty here. Knight f1 by Fabi. What the plus maneuvers knight g3 here. So this is a knight g3. And also knight hf4 by Giri without threatening the bishop and bishop threatening captured with sacrifice here. So this is sacrifice. And also knight g3 together with maneuvers here by Fabi. Knight takes accepted by exchange, queen takes, and also pawn e4 strong move. Or maybe here by this one very strong move against with Anish Giri here. And also d5 by Fabi to threatening the attacks the bishop. With backwards by Giri, bishop e7, bishop g5 to controls with develops by dark square with threatening targets the queens here. And with protecting by f6 by Giri threatening the bishop, with go backs bishop e3 with dark square with challenge by bishop to bishop and accept giri bishop captured takes. So this is a with doubles by Agnonian pawn structure. So this is a weak pawns here. And also pawn b5 attacks the, or maybe here by very strong move. So not attacks is developed by strong develops here by Anish Giri. b4 by strong against with Fabi. And also Empasa captured with Giri takes with openings by challenge rook to rook. Queen b8. But that explained here. Sir, why don't we rook captured accepted? It's okay. Rook captured here. Queen b8. So this is a good examples here. So without back there, this one is queen b8 by Giri. c4 attacks the pawns. Queen b6. So it means if you capture this one, captured. So captured. So this is a captured. So this is a, we need more captured here. So this is a, it's okay by captured. So it means queen b6 by with Anish Giri here. Knight f5 jumping up against enterings with knights with Fabi. Rook fe8 with Giri. Knight 3 h4 attacks the knights. Pawn b4. So another explain, if your knight captured, why don't we accept it? If your knight takes h4, knight captured and b4. So this is a goods for examples by explanations here. So the back there is b4 with pushes. Why b4? Because the idea to pawn bad pawn. So this is a close by pushes by. Sorry, we're close here. So this is a closes by pawns. King h2 force move against Fabi with proc active. Rook a3 to pressures by attacks the sacrifice here. So this is a more of this one. Cannot accept by this one with rook to rook challenging. So this is a third rank. Rook ab1, okay, with controls by this one, with develops the pawns here, and also rook a2, so it is called by second rank. So second rank here, so this is a very second rank. So this is a positional move against strong positional against with rooks with Giri. So this is a Anish Giri here. Queen d1 to defend the pawns against Fabi. Knight captured accepted. Knight takes. Rook e8. Okay, rook e8. Okay, rook e8 with battery here. Rook e2 with Fabi to challenge by attacks the rook. Triple battery queen a7. I forgot something. So it means rook e8. To pressures by this one with crucial against next of triple battery here. So rook e2 with Fabi. Challenged by rook to rook, triple battery with queens. Without explain here, why don't we rook captured? If you rook captured accepted, queen takes rook, and also rook a3 third rank. So this is another good process here by challenge here, for example. Without triple battery with Anish Giri, queen a7, rook c1 by Fabi. Queen b6 go back with Giri, knight f3. To pressures by this one with next of maneuvers knight e1 and also with knight d2, so does not like of knight f3 with Fabi. So this is a bad move. So the one's computer accepted by rook captured. Rook takes a2, so rook captured accepted here, and also with queen d3. So queen d3, so this is a goods for white's advantage. Okay, so back there is knight f3 together maneuvers knight e1, chooses by knight e2 here. So this is a controls here. h6 against with Giri, knight e1 to pressures by maneuvers knight c2 with Fabi, or next by this one by knight to d3. So this is a knight d3. King h7, force move against with Giri, properly active. Rook takes accepted, rook takes, and knight c2. So knight c2 with Fabi. Bishop backwards, e8. So what's the plans? Or maybe next bishop to g6. Together with attacks the free pawns here. So this is the attacks by free pawns. Queen d3 with defense of pawns, another bad move with Fabi, so does not like of Queen d3. Without best move, this one is Rook a1 with challenge by Rook to Rook. The Rook captured accepted, Queen takes Rook, Bishop g5, so it means threatening the pawns. So threats the pawns. So it means if you Queen d1 together by next of Queen d3 and try by 3 pawns against hitting the Bishop takes e4 together with the attacks the knights here. So this is a good slightly better for whites and blacks. So Queen d3 together by defense the pawns, Bishop g6 without controls by develops repositional move with light square against Anish Giri. Rook a1 with threatening by challenge Rook to Rook. So this is a third many bad move with Grandmaster Fabi. So the one's computer knight c1. Knight e1, sorry. So knight e1. So I'm sorry, I got wrong notes against knight e1 here. So this is a precise here with defense by queens. So this is a defense the pawns here. So this is a good slightly better for whites. So rook a1, sorry. I mean rook a1. So rook e1 with challenge by rook to rook. Rook takes accepted. This is a incorrect move by Giri. So the one's computer, the best is rook to avoid it against these situations here by good precise here. So this is a good slightly better for blacks. So because this is a differentiate by positional move against the solid with differentiate against with good successful against black. Without rook captured accepted here, knight takes a1 and c5 with more of this one strong move. So this is a bad move by Giri. So does not like a pawn to c5 with bad pawns. So the one's computer, the best move this one is queen to a5. Oh, queen a5 together with threatening the knights here. Without threatening the knights here. If you knight c2 here and also h5. Okay. So h5, so this is a good slightly better for blacks. So without c5 with Anish Giri here, king g3. So this is a many bad move. Very difficulties by Grandmaster Fabi. So this is a 4 times bad move again here. So the best the ones of this computer engine symbolized captured by Empasat capture. So Empasat captured here. The queen captured here. So it means knight c2 with threatening the pawns and threatening the queens here. So if you bishop captured here with threatening the queens here and continuous knight capture. So this is a same by queen to queen. So bishop threatening the queens and knights threats the queens here. So if you continue bishop captured here, knight captured here. So it means good knights versus bad bishop here. So how many pawns? By equal pawns here. By same equal by pawns. So this is a good slightly better for whites here. So without king g3 together with the controls by Fabi with queen a7 attacks the knights and defense by queen b1 with Fabi, h5 by Giri, king f3, h4. Well, h4 strongest against with Anish Giri, king g4, and also queen e7, queen d3 by Fabi, f5 by check, captured. Oh, king h6 with brilliant. So with brilliant, so resigns by Grandmaster Fabi. Oh, with brilliant. So king h6 with brilliant. So king h6 brilliant here. Resigns with Fabi. So why Fabi resigns? Because we captured this bishop, only move pawn to e4, threatening the queens, queen f1, and decided by queen g5 checkmating net here. Okay, so this is a king h6. This is a brilliant king sacrifice here. Okay, so the score with Fabi 85.7, the highest against Grandmaster Anish Giri 94.4. So it means winner against Grandmaster Anish Giri. So later with second game, proceed. We'll next up this one with standings of opponents candidates here. Okay, so next up is one with women's candidates here with round number 9. So next proceed here from this next game. Okay, white against with Grandmaster Zhu Juner. So it means without Zhu Juner with Grandmaster in China. And black pieces against Grandmaster in Russia, Katarina Lagno. I cannot understand the pronounced name of Katarina Lagno here. So without exchange clocks within 1 hour 30 minutes plus 30 seconds increment. So in this part of this video, we have analysis of women's candidates here after round number 9 here. So white plays Zhu is knight f3, d5 by Lagno, e3, knight f6, it is called by Reti openings white system, b3, c5, bishop b2, e6. So this is a three connected pass pawn, so it is dots wall here. And also bishop e2 by Zhu by next of playing castling kingside here. And also knight c6 by Lagno, castle kingside by Zhu, bishop d6 by Lagno by upcoming by next castling here. And also d4, good move against with excelente by Zhu, attacks the pawns, defense by b6 here by Lagno. So that example, if you capture this pawn here, if you captured c takes d4, knight captured here, okay, knight takes d4, okay, knight captured and capture this pawn. So this is a good for examples here. So b6 against defense by Lagno, c4. So this is a crossing by attacks the pawn. So this is a cross pawns here. By same of two connected pass pawn, goods versus bad here. Bishop b7. So this is a novelty with Lagno. So this is a disappearance by book line. So this is a old main lines by symbolized castling. So castling kingside is a old main lines. Without new move is bishop b7 by Lagno here. So this is a disappearance by book lines novelty. Captured by Zhu takes, and also knight c3, castling. So look at with Lagno together with the old main lines. So this is a good precise. Rook c1 by Zhu, and also rook e8 together with controls by e fast by rooks here with pins. Knight b5 to jumping up against with controls with threatening the bishop here. And decided Lagno is bishop backwards f8, capture this pawn, takes, bishop captured and takes. So this is a Agnes pawn structure. So this is a two doubles by weak pawns here. So this is a bad pawns here. And also bishop d3 together by next up capture the sacrifice with check. So this is a sacrifice. So sacrifice move here. Knight e5 by Lagno attacks the bishop. Rook e1 to pressures by upward. So does not like of Zhu's computer because this is a symbolized bad move. So the one's computer is knight captured accepted. Knight takes e5. If you rook captured knights and queen f3. So this is a goods for whites here. So back there is rook e1 by Zhu, queen d7. Oh, what the plans? Or maybe here by next of queen g4 here. So this is a queen g4 is a next move. Knight c3. Okay, go backs against with Zhu Juner here. And also queen g4. So this is a good precise to pressures to controls by development here. And also knight captured accepted. In accept by Lagno, queen takes, rook takes. Captured, good move. And also e4 attacks the pawns, captured, bad move with Lagno. So the best move is pushes by d4, threatening the knights here. If you knight ac8, wait, knight ac8, okay. So it means if you knight a4, okay, knight a4. So knight a4 with pressures this one to controls here and also rook ac8. So this is a goods for examples for blacks here. So this is a good slightly better for blacks. Okay, so back to this one is we capture these pawns with Lagno, bishop takes. So this is a with diagonals here with light square here. So this is a with challenge here by this one with bishop to bishop here. And also bishop captured accepted, knight takes captured together with attacks the pawns, rook e8, rook a d8 with challenge by rook to rook, king f1. So if you rook captured here, Why don't we captured? Rook takes captured and also g3 here. So this is a goods for examples. So king f1, rook captured accepted. So this is a captured here. So does not like of captured with w. So it means rook d4 is a best move by solutions here. So if you rook captured here and c takes captured, so this is a two connected pass points here with curves with diagonals with dark squares. So this is a goods for advantage for blacks. So rook captured accepted with Lagno, rook takes with Zhu, and also pawn a5. So what the plans, or maybe a4. So this is a a4 moves here. And also rook d5 together with attacks the pawn. So this is a threats the pawns here. And also a4 attacks the pawns. Rook captured pawns, captured. Rook b8 together with threatening the pawns here. So this is a threats. Without threatening the pawns, rook g5 check with Zhu, king h8, and also rook g3 together with the defense develops the pawns. h6 by Lagno, king e2. So what the plans, or maybe here by this active force move king d1. So movement by this one with kings here. So this is a movement. Rook b4. Okay, rook b4 without threatening the knights and check. So this is a check here. So next maneuver. Knight d2, defense of this one with pawns. Bishop d6 by Lagno together with threatening the rooks. So threatening attacks the rooks here. Rook d3 together with attacks the bishop, so does not like of computer with Zhu, rook d3. So the best move this one is rook e3. So rook e3 here. So this is a rook e3 here. So together with the pressures here with crucial here. So according this one by computer, so this is a goods for advantage for whites here. Okay, so back to this one is rook d3 together with threatening the bishop e5, knight c4 with that attacks the bishop here. So threatening the bishop here. Bishop backwards g7, so this is a bad move. So does not like of backwards by Lagno. So the one computer is bishop to d4 together with the pressures by attacks with defense here. So this is a goods for black's advantage. Okay, so back there this one is together with the backwards bishop g7 by Lagno and also knight to d6 by Zhu together with the threatening the pawns here. So threats the pawns. King g8. Okay, king g8 force move against this one by property active. Rook g3, good move against by Zhu. So cannot movement by this one with control, so cannot move by bishop, so this is a pins. We check here, so this is a check. King h7 by Lagno, knight captured, and also rook d6 backwards by Lagno with defense by pawns. f4, another excellent process by Grandmaster Zhu Jr. Rook e6 check, rook e3 check, so it means rook e3. So rook e3 by Zhu Jr. together with a challenge by rook to rook. Does not one against with rook captured accepted by Lagno. Rook f6. Knight d8, another cross-sides excellent with strong against with Zhu. So what idea with plans? Or maybe by next of rook e7 together with a threatening by bishop with check. So this is a next move here. Rook captured pawns, rook e7, another excellent process by Zhu Jr. together with a threatening the bishop and check. So this is a check move here. Rook b4 with attacks the pawns here, and also knight e6 here. So without idea, why don't we here? Why don't we rook capture g7 check king g8? So king h8 here, not king g8. So this is a goods for examples. Without knight e6 here, threatening the bishop, and also king g6 here. So in idea, why don't we rook captured 3 pawns? If you rook captured 3 pawns, rook captured bishop check king h8. So it means rook c7. Oh wait, first rook c7. Oh, rook c7 here. So rook c7, so this is a threats the pawns and knight threats the pawns here. So this is a good score advantage, for example. So this is a two same by number of pawns here, so same number of pawns. So king g6 against with Lagno, and also knight captured, so one piece down against with Lagno because knight takes g7 by Zhugener. Rook captured pawn, and also knight e8, pawn c4, and also rook g7 check. Rook g7 check, king f5, and also knight d6 check, king f6 with threatening the rooks. Okay, the first guessing puzzle. What do you think about the wins against Zhugener with the winners here to fighting against winner before resigns by Russia Lagno? So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Rook c7 threatening the pawns resigns with Grandmaster Lagno. So it means, so why? Because this is a one rook only and two connected minor pieces here. So it means rooks and knights here. So it means two minor pieces and one rook here. Without decided, Katarina Lagno resigns against round number 9. Okay, so the score with 96.4 by Zhugener and 19.3 by Katarina Lagno. So it means Zhugener is a winner. Okay, so let's see up this one with final standings here after round number 9 here. Okay, so the 7 points here against first placer with Grandmaster Japuskir Sindarov here with Uzbekistan. And second by 5.5 score by Grandmaster in Netherlands is Anishkiri, and 4.5 by third by Grandmaster USA Fabiano Caruana, and also the 4 points against with fourth with Grandmaster Pragnananda, the older sister of Vaishali, and fifth by Grandmaster in Matthias Bulbo, and Grandmaster USA is Karuna Kamura, and Grandmaster China Wei, and 3 points again with number 8 with Grandmaster Russia Andrei Esipенko here. Okay, so the next up women's candidates here standings after round number 9. So next up this one, the score of 5.5 points with the first placer against Grandmaster Vaishali Ramesh Babu, the little brother of Pragnananda, and second by Grandmaster Zhugener in China. And 5 points by Grandmaster Ukraine is Anna Musichuk, and fourth by 4.5 by Grandmaster in India Divya Deshmukh, and Russia by Grandmaster Katarina Lagno, and 4 points against with Grandmaster Alexander Korshkina, and Grandmaster is Bibisara Sabayeva, and 8 by 3 points by Grandmaster Tan Zongi. Okay, so the next up this one, so this is a good news with round number 10. So I will update here with round number 10 with open and women's candidates. So soon I will update here. So this is a love triangles here. Okay, so I hope with this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loggy 17, aka Mark 17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep updates of this next chess updates. Bye bye.